Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 10 minus 10, multiply 10, then again minus 10. Most people solve this question like 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then again 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now 0 multiply 0 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to work from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to work from left to right. Okay. So is equal to, in this question, one subtraction, it is multiplication, then again subtraction. First priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so first we have to solve this multiplication. So 10 minus 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. Okay, minus 10. Now here is subtraction and here is subtraction, so both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So 10 minus 100 is equal to minus 90 minus 10. Okay, now minus 90 minus 10 is equal to minus 100. So the correct answer is minus 100. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.